Hey folks, I'm Anant and welcome to MaverickEduCor, your one-stop solution for everything related to PTE. We at MaverickEduCor are committed to impart expert strategies, proven tips and tricks, and valuable insights to ace your PTE exam. For more details and paid assistance, contact us on the WhatsApp number mentioned below or on the email ID. We will be happy to help you further. In today's class, let's see more details about answer short question. Remember, this answer short question is the last question in your entire speaking module. Also, it is one of the least important questions in your entire exam because it will give you very less marks. On the flip side, it is one of the most easiest questions if you can follow the tips and tricks that we are going to share you in the upcoming slides. Let's understand what needs to be done as per PTE for answer short question. Remember, PTE says that listen to the question and answer it in one word or in few words. You get 5 to 6 questions for this question type. Next, duration. The length of the audio would anywhere be between 3 to 9 seconds. And once the audio completes, there is absolutely no preparation time. And soon after that, when it says recording, you need to come up with an answer and the recording time is just 10 seconds. This is a representational image of answer short question from your exam. As you can clearly see that there is an audio recorder which will play the question and record your answer as well. Now, in this instance, you see that audio is being played, meaning the question is being played by PTE. Once it completes, here instead of audio play, you will see recording. Soon after you see recording, you will have to come up with your answer. Okay, it could be in one word or in multiple words. Once you complete responding to that question, go ahead and click next for the next question in your exam. Let's understand what are the skills and marks as per PTE scoring guidelines. Now, PTE says that they will assess only your listening skills for answer short question. And the skill that is assessed here is vocabulary. For how many marks? Just 0 to 1 mark per question. Overall, 4 to 6 marks only for your listening skills and 0 marks for your speaking, even though you are speaking or telling 1 or 2 words. Here, why they are giving marks only for your listening skills is there is no concept called as fluency, especially for your answer short question type. Let's look at the golden rules for answer short question. First and foremost, PTE says that you need to listen carefully. Reason being, PTE is just trying to understand if you can listen, comprehend, and then come up with an answer. Meaning, if you can understand the question and then come up with an answer. What is PTE is expecting you as an answer? PTE is just expecting 1 or 2 words. That is why you are not getting marks for your speaking. You are just telling 1 or 2 words. Next, pronounce the word correctly, right? If you cannot pronounce the 1 or 2 words that you are saying as an answer, PTE will not be able to listen to those words and may not give marks, right? So that is why please speak those words correctly. Next, you can use synonyms or alternate words if you don't know the precise word for that particular question. Okay? Next, what if you don't know synonyms or alternate words at that point of time? You can come up with something related or relevant, answers for that particular question. Remember, end of the day, it is not assessing your general knowledge skills. It is trying to understand if you can listen to the question, understand, and then come up with an answer. These are the do's for your answer short question. Next, what are the don'ts? If you don't answer anything, meaning if you remain silent throughout your recording time, you will not be given any marks for that particular question. Okay? Next, swallowing or mumbling of words will again lead to less marks. Meaning, PTE may not give you marks because it is unable to understand because you're mumbling as an answer, right? It cannot understand whatever answer you're giving. Let's look at a couple of examples for your answer short question type. Let's see if you can answer this particular question.
What type of liquid is used to power locomotives?
What type of fuel is used to power locomotives? Your answers could be petrol, fuel, diesel, or even oil. See, oil is also a related or a relevant, answer. If you can, tell one of these as well or all of this, you will still get marks. Okay. But if you say it as petrol, diesel, see you're mumbling or swallowing words, PTE will not be able to understand or assess whatever you're speaking. Next question.
Which one of these are venomous creatures? A dog, a mice, or a cobra?
So here they have given options. You can say any of the options. Say for example, you say dog, mice, or even cobra. Any of these options will work. Or if you don't know the answer also, you can tell snake or king cobra. You can tell anything as a relevant answer. Okay? If you can follow any of these methods, you will be able to achieve full marks for answer short question type. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications related to PTE, please feel free to contact us on 7406090606, or you can email us at pte.maverickeducor@gmail.com for paid assistance. On this note, I wish you the best of luck for your exams, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more engaging videos on PTE.